Right, so we are doing our SRS for now, and I am going to write using my finger, so I understand that that's a little bit tricky. So when you're doing your other papers and you have to use your finger, it is fine if it is not perfect. All right, on our robot line today, let's practice, since I wrote my name on the top, let's practice our letter V. All right, so we're going to start at the top line, slant down to the bottom, and back, slant to the top. So try to give me 3 good V's on your SRS paper. If you're just using a blank paper, that is perfectly fine. Just do those 3 V's. All right, on your rectangle line, we're going to do our letters. So first, give me the letter I. And I want you to try to beat me and getting it on your paper before I get it on my paper. All right, next letter, U. Good job. Next letter, R. Good, and last letter for that row, B. Good job. Make sure your B is facing the right way and your paper looks like mine. We are going to move to our circle row now, so I'm going to give you some sounds. On the first blank, give me the letter that says W. Good, so you should have a W. Now give me the letter that says J. That J, make sure it starts at the middle line, goes down, monkey tail underneath that bottom line, and then you dot it. What letter says Ah? Good, O. And last one for our sounds, the letter that says Eh. Good, and E. All right, we're moving to our next row, which is our square row. Next to the first square, can you give me the letter that goes with the keyword edge? Good, it's the E again. Next one, the letter that goes with the keyword yo-yo. Good, you should have a Y. Try to beat me. If you ever need to pause it, just go ahead and pause it and catch up and then press play when you're ready. Next one, give me the letter that goes with the keyword itch. Good, that's an I. And last one, give me the keyword that goes with the, or give me the letter that goes with the keyword up. Good, that's our U again. All right, let's move down to our triangle row. And this time, remember, we are looking for the sound at the end of the word. So don't give me the beginning sound. Listen for that last sound of the word. What's the last sound in chip? Good, you should have written a P, right? Ch, it, p, p, p. That P is at the end. What is the last sound in the word jump? Good, that's another P. They tricked us. They don't usually ever do 2 of the same letters in a row, but they did this time. Next one, what's the last sound in the word six? Six. Good, you hear that X sound at the end. And for your last one in that row, give me the last sound in the word math. Math. Good, you should have had a TH, math. For our diamond sound, our sound that we're working on, today we are reviewing, since we had a weekend, I thought we should go ahead and review ul at the end of a 1-syllable word after a short vowel. Ul is spelled LL, good, so this is our double L, so we're practicing our double L again. So give me 3 LLs at the bottom, and then we're going to get ready to go on to the back. All right, so go ahead and pause it if you need to. Otherwise, I'm going to assume that you're ready to move on to the back. And for star word number 1, all of these words for our star words are going to practice that skill, and that's our double L skill, right? So you're going to know that all of these words need to end with LL. First word is mill. Mill. See if you can beat me. Good. M-I-L-L, mill. Number 2, write the word well. Well. Good. You should have had W-E-L-L, well. Did you beat me on that one? All right, and for number 3, please write the word fill, like fill up the cup. Fill. Good. F-I-L-L. So we had that double L at the end. All right, our sight word today, we are going to practice that word from Friday again. And if you remember, that word was W-I-T-H. Do you remember what that word is? You can kind of sound this one out. With. Good. So next to your eyeballs, write me the word with 4 times. Go ahead and pause it if you need to get it written 4 times. And then press play when you're ready to start again. All right, if you're ready, that means you have written with 4 times. Go ahead and cover up with so you can't see it and try to write it next to the check mark. I'll give you about 5 seconds. All right, spell with for me. You should have spelled W-I-T-H, with. Nice job. All right, book words. These are the tricky ones. For your first word, can you write the sight word when? Like the question word when. Remember what question words start with? What do they start with? When. Good. The question words start with W-H. So we have W-N. When. So you should have written W-H-E-N. And last book word, write the word see. Like I see a dog. Good. S-E-E. That one I think is one of the easier words we've done recently. All right. And finally, for your sentence at the bottom, please write the sentence. Ooh, this is a long one. I will see the hill. I will see the hill. So if you count out those words, I will see the hill. You should have 5 words. So go ahead and start writing. I will see the hill. And I actually want you to pause it right now. So write the word, write the sentence, I will see the hill. Pause the video and then press play when you're ready. All right, if you are going now, that means your sentence is already written. If not, pause it and finish. I will see the hill. I will see the hill. Put a period. All right, so if you write cops, make sure you have 1 capital letter. It should start with a capital I. Are there any names in this sentence? Nope, so no other capital letters. If you did that right, cross off your C. O stands for order. So read your sentence real quick. It should say, I will see the hill. So you have 5 words with spaces in between. If you do, cross off the O. P stands for punctuation. So make sure you have that period at the end. You could have used a exclamation point if you wanted to. But could you use a question mark? No, we weren't asking a question. We were telling something. I will see the hill. So cross off the P if you have your punctuation. And S stands for spelling. Make sure your sentence is spelled just like mine. We had 2 of those double L words, will and hill. And the other 3 words were sight words. So if they're all spelled correctly, go ahead and cross off the S. And congratulations, you are done with your SRS. Nice job. See you later.